Yo, Jordan here, just doing an upgrade on my bike today. This is my stock 50-tooth sprocket, and voila! My beautiful girlfriend Nessa got this for me today for Valentine's Day. It's got the sacred Husqvarna logo on there. Ooh. Now that there is a 52-tooth sprocket, and it's got a steel outer edge with an aluminum core to save on weight, and it's got the bling factor. So this sucker is going to replace that, and it's going to give me just a little bit more low end, which is going to help me for my level of riding, because I'm still not that fast, and so I tend to need to shift down a little more, especially going up hills. So this is going to help me. Hopefully I'll be able to stay in a higher gear and keep my momentum up and not spin out, and hopefully not flip backwards going up a hill. So here I go, time to take this wheel off. Consult the manual. Slide the wheel forward. Take the chain off. Guess I should have had something ready to put this on, something clean. Out with the old, and in with the new. Well, less new to more new. Let's see what the difference is. Quite a difference in diameter. Okay, gotta clean this up. Voila. That is sweet. Looks like we're gonna have to do some cleaning up around in here. Let's see get my trusty phone. Some dirt and buildup already all over in this thing. Gonna have to get some grease, so I'm not even gonna be able to finish this today. I might as well get this all cleaned and ready to be reassembled. I'll have to get some grease from the store tomorrow. Okay, back to ready to completing this thing. Now I got some waterproof grease, so I'm gonna get it inside all around these bearings. Now I need a nice even surface. As soon as it sounds solid, the tone changes. When it's set, that is nice. Work it around a bit. Get a piece of towel here and wipe the access off around it. Damn, this milk crate's almost the right height, eh? Screws on here. Let's see. Take it goes, fits like that. That fits in there. It's a good idea to have all that grease on that. On those. Turns out I'm going to have to adjust this just a bit anyways, so I want to just make sure I know how many turns, so I put a little piece of grease on this. So important. This notch and these marking notches should line up, so that one's just starting there. There's a bit of a gap there. I can go this side, and it's a bit further forward.